right click, add new item. See that here crystal reports icon is error. If you just click on add, see what happened. After clicking add, it will not rpt file, this is mht file. That means it's an error. It's when I add rpt file, crystal report rpt file, it will automatically convert it an mht file. In that case you have to download latest version of crystal report. To download crystal report, go to the as article dot in this link and load. Click on the download crystal report visual studio 2010 link. Now it's downloading the crystal report software. Okay, this is the software, it's already downloaded. Now I'm gonna install it. Before installation, first of all, uninstall the existing previous version of crystal report. To uninstall it, go to the control panel and uninstall program. This is the previous version of crystal report. First of all, uninstall. Okay, click yes. Now it's uninstalling. Click on OK. Okay, uninstall finished. Okay, now add new item. See that there is no crystal report software, and here's also crystal report software is uninstalled. Now I'm gonna install crystal report software. Right click and click on run as administrator. Yes, install. It's installing. You can see all tutorial of crystal report with SQL SQL C# in my channel. All playlist of C# tutorial, C# linq tutorial, crystal report tutorial, you can see it's in the description box. Okay, click accept and you can see the license agreement. Install. Okay, now it's installing. It will take some time during installation. Okay, now it's installing. All concept of programming tricks you can see in my channel Swift Learn. It will take some time. Oh, installation finished. If your OS is 64-bit, then you can install 64-bit or runtime engine. Reload the program and picture. See that the crystal report already installed successfully. Okay, now delete this mht file. Right click on this folder. Oh, before install, first of all, reload this Visual Studio. Start Visual Studio. Open our create project. Just right click, add new item, crystal report. Yes, now crystal report icons also changed and it is now perfect. Just click on add to create crystal report. Yes, click on add. Okay, click on OK. Create. Oh, my connection is there is no connection, so you should create a new connection. To connect it, go to the OLEDB provider for SQL server. Click on click next. Select your database. My database name is Premier Asbeer, and the server user ID is SA. Password, put your password and select your database name. Yes, okay, done. Next, finish. Now it's already connected with the SQL Server database. Expand DB and view. Select your view or table, whatever. Just click on next. Finish. Now your report is ready and connected with database.